Hey y'all, it's your girl Crown by Destiny. As y'all read by the title, we got a wig review video. I got this wig off Amazon, and all of the details will be listed down below in the description box. I did go ahead and step outside my comfort zone, and I just wanted to try a new color because, I mean, why not? So yes, y'all keep on watching. It look crazy right now, but y'all got to see it through. I'll be right back with y'all though. If 1 + 1 equals 2, then what the fuck is this? I might could get away with it because it's Halloween, but I'm supposed to drop my baby off at school in this type of wig. Have a good day. Hey. Hey. Alright y'all, so now I'm just applying the glue. I am using Ghost Bond. All the products that I did use will be listed down below in the description box as well. I only did 1 layer because I didn't plan on keeping this wig on for too long. I was literally just trying something. I wanted to make some TikToks and take some pictures, and that's what I did. So I'm just going ahead and laying that glue down. Before you put the lace on there, you want to make sure it's dried clear, as you can see now. And I could have let it dry a little bit longer, but your girl is impatient. So yes, I cut the frontal into 3 just so it's easier to lay down. And now I'm just like patting it in, making sure that glue is nice and tacky on that lace. And I did spray the lace with a lace tint. I would not recommend doing that, just for the simple fact that this is a bright color. So you want to, I would use makeup just so, you know, it won't bleed through. And I did go ahead and pluck the parts. I didn't pluck on camera, I'm sorry y'all, but my next video I'll show y'all how I pluck. But yes, hold on, look at that skin though. Hold on, I done cut the lace y'all, and I use a razor to cut it. But yes, now I'm just trying to do some baby hairs. I did realize, like, this, because this is a synthetic wig, baby hairs wasn't really trying to baby hair, you know what I'm saying? And I lay them with mousse, but it did all right. So yeah, all right y'all, so thanks for watching. This is the final look. I did go ahead and put on some eyebrows and some lashes, because sometimes with bold colors you just gotta put that in there. All the information about this wig will be listed down below in the description box, also the link as well. This was a very inexpensive wig, so if you're just now trying wigs or you just want to try bold colors, I would suggest going on Amazon, and you know they got Prime, so don't play with them. Anyways, yes, so will I wear this wig out? I'm not really sure. But what I am about to do is go ahead and make some TikToks, so make sure you like this video. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications, comment down below what other styles or any video suggestions you guys would like to see. Again, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1K. Y'all playing with me.